In this video, I will show how to make a creative board. The creative board is perfect to develop creativity. With this task, students can prepare a montage of the Boston Tea Party, or they can put together the CV of Christopher Columbus. When editing, first you have to write the instruction, and then you set the maximum reachable score. When solving a creative board, click on Let's Create, and then choose one of the functions such as drawing, uploading images, writing text. Here I start solving this task by uploading a picture that I can choose even from my own device. After I uploaded all pictures I wanted, I also write some text and draw some thought bubbles. If I make a mistake while drawing, I can erase with the rubber tool. When I'm ready, I can save my work, but before finalization I can still modify it. As a last step, I click on Done and finish completing.